Manmohan Singh Badal
Oh.
Borai, sir, India has lost a great son, a great economist,
Hmm.
and a very good administrator.
Hmm.
We shall miss this great man
Hmm.
who brought about some very forward-looking reforms in the economy, Indian economy.
Hmm.
This great man will always be remembered, one and all, whether they were a top business or politicians, and the commonest man who benefited by his reforms.
Yeah. So, any special memories of you with late Manmohan Singh, Sarji?
Well, we have known so many times. Dr. Manmohan Singh, we always went to him whenever we had problems regarding finance,
Okay.
and he always came out with some sort of suggestion that helped us.
Okay.
Always.
Yes.
His
Okay.
suggestions were more of, what should I say?
Constructive or like?
No, whenever we went to him, he suggested certain reforms, and we were able to move forward economically and in a very welfare manner.
Okay.
Thank you.